Okay, let's say you want to cut a hole into the sphere with the cylinder, and you want that the face of this cylinder is perpendicular to the surface of the sphere. So you want something like this or something like this, but obviously you want to make it precisely and not eyeballing stuff. Therefore, you can use the snapping features of the place command. So if you select the cylinder and press Ctrl D and snap the gizmo here at the center, you can place it perfectly perpendicular to the sphere. And if you press F for flip, you can place it on any desired place on the curved surface of the sphere. Let's delete these guys. And you can make your difference boolean or whatever. And this works on any curved surface. So let's say we have something like this. Again, if we take this guy, the cylinder, press Ctrl D for place. You can again place it on any curved surface of the sphere which I have squeezed along its z-axis. If you press F for flip, you can see exactly how you are about to place the cylinder on the curved surface. I hope this helps. Peace!